hair care routine always consists of the same steps, it's just the products that change, and this time around I'm extra excited because the products I've been using pretty much consistently make my hair look, feel, and smell good, which otherwise is super rare for me. Nonetheless, use what you have and what works for you and your hair, but here's my routine. A little bit about my scalp. It's very prone to flaking and buildup, especially when I wear my hair up, but this shampoo is the love of my life because it's so clarifying, but very moisturizing without leaving behind the greasiness or oiliness. And I usually have a tiny issue with shampoos because in the past they have left my hair feeling stripped and like squeaky, if that makes sense. But this one doesn't do that, and I could talk about the pros forever, but in short, she's perfect for me and smells very good. I use the Bounce Curl Cream Conditioner. It's just a hydrating conditioner and it's never done me dirty. I like to use it to help with detangling my hair. I finger detangle because that gives me less breakage, but you can use a comb if your hair is extra knotty that day. But today I got lucky. I like to detangle in the shower because it's just a lifesaver when you're like me, and when I get out of the shower and I'm dry, I want to like mess with my hair as little as possible because I can't stand the feeling of wet hair on my body. So to avoid more wet hair touching, I just do it in the shower. And then unfortunately at the very last minute I rinse my hair off with super cold water because I heard that's good for you. I don't know where I heard that. I feel like that's just like a universal thing that everyone knows. And once that's done, I just squeeze my hair out and wrap it up in a cotton t-shirt because apparently regular towels give you more frizz, and I really don't need that. I really don't. So this hair mask is an honorary mention. It's from I can't talk. It's from Briogeo or Briogeo, whatever. It's just a big fat boost of hydration, and I use it once a week, and for me, the more moisture I give to my hair, the less frizzy it is. Oh, the moon pales in. The first styling product I use is the Bounce Curl Light Cream Gel, and what this does is enhance your natural curl pattern, and this is my go-to for everyday use because it doesn't leave your hair crunchy, it dries very soft and healthy looking, which I really prefer. As you can see, I work by two sections, just the left and right side of my hair, and all I do is put a little bit of the gel between my fingers and I comb it through my hair and then scrunch to help find my waves, find their natural pattern, and that's it. And I do the same thing on the other side. Comparison to you. And Now this is the second and last product that I use to style my hair. It's the Clump and Define Cream, also from Bounce Curl. It works best when wet, which is why I spray it before I use it with my little spray bottle from Target. And I noticed that this is the light gel cream's stronger, tougher, older sister. Basically, it adds more hold and shine to your curls or waves while also leaving them really soft. So the theme with these products is that it leaves your hair soft, which I really like. But I like to use this as like a reinforcement because it's just stronger than the other gels, so I know this is what's gonna keep my hair lasting throughout the day and onto the next day for the most part. And again, it smells so good, like so good. Don't know what I should do. Love always feels like it gets in the way, hanging out but we got nothing to say. See you tomorrow. For the drying process, I try not to touch my hair at all. I just let it air dry, and if I need to move it, I kind of just do that, unless it's like stuck like this. But I kind of just shift it with my big head, like that. Yeah, and I'll just let it air dry, and I noticed something that I do that I don't like purposefully do, but my brain told me to do it. It's like a subconscious thing. I like flip my hair, like I'll flip it to one side for like 30 minutes, just like this part. I'll flip that side for 30 minutes while it's air drying, and then I'll do the same thing to the other side for the next 30 minutes. And I think I just do this to create volume in my roots, and it works, and I like how it looks. I think volume in your hair is such a pretty thing, but for the most part, I keep it at a middle part just because that's one of my preferences, but I try to touch it as little as possible to avoid adding more frizz. Just don't touch it, let it do its thing. I'm gonna start a timer because I honestly don't know how long my hair takes to air dry, so there you go. So it's been 1 hour and 22 minutes and my hair is halfway dried. This is what it looks like, just like hair. My hair is finally dry and this is what it looks like. So I really like this hair routine because the two styling products that I use don't leave my hair crunchy. It feels really soft and shiny and not frizzy. Like, it just looks really nice and healthy. So I'm really glad my friend Erica put me onto this. Honestly, she's been using Bounce Curl for years, and once I heard about the whole like Diva Curl thing, I like immediately stopped using them and was on the search for new hair care products. So Bounce Curl has been my new favorite. I mean, I've used them in the past, but now my whole entire regimen is Bounce Curl. I actually bought one of their kits that they already put together on their site. This isn't sponsored, I just actually really like this stuff. I can never decide which I like better, side part or middle part. I feel like the middle part is so, like, I just love her so much, but then I also love the side one. I can just never decide. It really depends on the day. Hello, so this is me the next day and it's time to refresh my hair. So I slept in a founding father ponytail. You guys always ask me what I do with my hair when I sleep, and honestly, I do whatever feels comfy and I save the problem of what my hair is gonna look like for future me to deal with. So the issue with the low pony is it makes the top and front pieces of my hair super straight. So here is how I deal with it. All I do is dampen the spots where the pattern got messed up with a water bottle, and this is kind of like the undo button. So you just dampen your hair, and I take the tiniest bit of the light cream gel and I just scrunch it in those places and let it dry, and this completely fixes it. Since the gel isn't the crunchy kind, there's no issues, and this is just like an easy fix. And this is basically what I do on a day-to-day until it's time to wash my hair and start the process all over again.
But the right way should lead me to you, 'cause if it's true, I don't know what I'll do. Oh, the moon pales in comparison to you.
So this is what my hair looks like after 15 minutes of air drying, and it looks like nothing ever happened. Bada bing, bada boom. Look at that. Thanks so much for watching my hair routine. I've done like 2 of these before and not much has changed. I feel like everything has just gotten simpler, and I've just found products that I really like even more than the last one. So it's been a pretty good hair journey so far, and I've straightened my hair way less. I actually can't remember the last time I straightened my hair. Hold on. I'm feeling proud. Also, if you need some hair ideas or if you have similar hair to me, whatever the case may be, I do have a hairstyles video that I posted a little while back that a lot of you guys have been loving. So if you're looking for more hair inspo, I'll link that here and probably in the description too. And don't forget to subscribe because we're almost at 150K, which is so exciting because that's like 50,000 away from 200K, which is extra exciting. So don't forget to do that. Like, comment, all that good stuff. I'll leave my social medias down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.